The tropics are fabulously diverse, and this has been called the latitude diversity effect. So why is it that there's this mind-boggling diversity in the tropics? The two main explanations are the cradle effect and the museum effect. The cradle effect is that more species arise. So in the areas of the tropics that are wet and warm, you have tropical rainforests with this lush vegetation providing massive food at the bottom of that food chain. So there's more opportunities for species to feed right the way up the food chain. The stability over the seasons means that species can feed on certain animals or plants right the way through the year. So you can have fruit specialists that will feed on fruit right the way through the year. Or if you specialize on a particular insect, you can do it through the year. In temperate areas, because of the seasonality, you have to feed on a diversity or migrate. So the tropics is full of lots of specialists having persisted for a long period of time. In the museum effect is that the tropics are stable, whereas in temperate areas there's been ice ages, and so areas have been wiped clear of their species and then have to recolonize. The fact that the tropics have been stable for millions of years means that these specialized species can persist over long periods of time. And then the next factor is area. So the tropics have large areas. So for example, I'm here in New Guinea, which is the second largest island in the world after Greenland. And that provides a great opportunity for a diversity of different habitats and for species to persist at low levels over that large area. These processes mean that these processes also apply to human languages. So there are 840 different languages in New Guinea. And I studied this and showed that the patterns of diversity of languages is the same as the pattern of diversity in birds and mammals. Countries with lots of languages have lots of biodiversity. And the reasons for that are the same. It's where it's tropical, it's where it's mountainous, it's where there's lots of tropical forests. The reasons for loss are complicated and not correlated. It differs, not surprisingly, between cultures and biodiversity. And interesting, the languages are more threatened than the birds or mammals. So there's phenomenal diversity in the tropics, and it shows the real importance of maintaining tropical rainforests if we want to maintain diversity.